Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Beautiful Stitches. I love you all and I'm glad you're here with me. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Before leaving, please check beneath the screen and click the subscribe button, and also touch the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload my video. Like and share my videos too. Alright, let's get back to today's business. Today we are going to be learning how to attach size pockets to a gown. For tutorials on how to cut a pocket pattern, check in my description box. I'll drop the link below. Check it out and watch the video on how to cut a pocket pattern. Alright, let's get started. Here is my pocket. I've already cut it out. As you can see, I've already cut it out. It's in two, so I'll be attaching it to the sides of my gown. Okay, so what I'll do is to measure from the shoulder. Remember, we came down by about 1 inch to 1.5 inch on the shoulder line. So if I measure from that angle, it might not really be at the position I want it to be. So I'll measure from the neck region, the shoulder, down to 18 inches or 19 inches, as the case may be. For my own, I want it to be 18 inches, so I'll mark at that point and then use my ruler to mark it out at the sides of my fabric, just like as I'm doing it now. So after marking it out, I'll make a notch at the point where I marked. Just the way I'm doing it, I'll make a notch down here so that I'll place my pocket directly on the notch downward. Okay, so what I'll do now is to place my pocket at the point where I notched, just like as I'm doing it, right side facing right side. Okay, so I'll pin it down from that point downward, just as I'm doing it, so that it doesn't move when I'm sewing it on my machine. All right, then I'll turn over the fabric and also place the second side of the pocket on the notched end too, right side facing right side, just the way I'm doing it now, and then also pin it down. Why I place it right side facing right side, so that when you sew it, after sewing, the side where your hand will be in the pocket will be the right side. So I'll place it on the notch and then pin it down, just as I'm doing it now. Okay, you can see I'm pinning it. I'll also pin the other side of the pocket so that it doesn't move while sewing on my machine. All right, as you can see, I finished pinning it to my gown. I finished pinning the pocket to my gown. What I'll do next is to sew down from the notched end down to the other side of the pocket. All right, as you can see, I finished sewing my pocket to the sides of my gown. You can see right side facing right side. So when I finish sewing, the right side would be where my hand would be placed. So what I'll do next now is align it together. All right, just as I'm doing, and I'll sew from the sleeve region down to the notch end and then move into the pocket. Follow it that way, round, then I'll come back to the end of the pocket and also continue with my gown down to the hem of my gown. So that is what I'll be doing now. So what I'll do next is to take it to the machine and sew. As you can see, my pocket is ready. Yeah, it's looking very beautiful. Yes, that is the end of the sewing, the attaching of pockets to a gown. As you can see, very fine, very beautiful. All right, this is the end of our tutorial. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, like and share my videos, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button before leaving this channel. I love you all. Stay safe and stay out of trouble. See you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.